We are moving on the run. Saddling up with the guys. I have here with me Bugatti. Say hi to the camera. How you doing?
Well,
Tell me one word about this trip that you feel.
one of the best trip ever.
You have not even started and they said it's the best trip. Let's see how it goes, man. Yes, so it's one of the best trips. So yeah, this is my baby. Yes, so it's the first trip in 2025. Yes, sir. So yeah, this is Lexi. Lexi, how you feeling this morning?
Cool, man.
You good? You feeling good?
Cool, all verified.
This is Lexi's
All
baby.
ready to go.
That's verified. All the way to Abraka.
Abraka.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What's
sir.
up, Abraka?
Abraka. As you can see, you're getting ready. So yeah. So yeah, this is live in NAIJABIKERS. Yes, sir. Bugatti. How was it right? Elisha, how was it right? Apa, Godzilla. Nah, brother. Thank God. Yes, sir. It's our babies. Haven't been in. Hey, how are you doing? Are you a rider or you're a pillion? Both. Yes, so this is Ima. Ima, how you doing? How's the ride so far? So sweet. How are you? You good? Yes, so this last one of Africa, the only Arab that can Arab. Don't be lie. This is Dusimus. Yeah. Sapele. Beyond Sapele. Too sweet. Say hi to the camera. How you doing?
Hello, people.
How was the trip?
Beautiful trip, man. If you're not on this trip, you've missed it.
You have missed it, man. It's Kulashi won. You tell me, how was the trip?
Awesome. Cool.
Wonderful. 10-10. Pharaoh, how you doing? Man, wonderful trip so far. Wonderful trip so far. Wonderful trip so far. Fat boy, how's the trip so far? This is Fat boy. You tell me, how is Fat boy coping on this trip?
Oh, well, it's a low bike, but we could match it with the African trip.
Never! So yeah, we're live at Delta State, Delsu. As you can see, this is Delsu in front of me, and we are heading straight to Lagos. I have Bugatti here. This is Bugatti. I have Kel in the front. I have Panda. I have Tobes. I have Flash. I have Godzilla. All the way from the way. So you're live here at Delsu State University. That's the gate. That's the fence opposite. You're getting fuel, heading back to Lagos. As you can see, it's a wonderful feeling. You know what it is. Yep.